Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the CloneVoice AI API key to import your voices or audio in Artistly AI. I'll break this down into two main steps. Step number 1, setting up your API key, and step 2, importing your voices. So let's start with step 1. So I'm logged into my CloneVoice AI account. I'd recommend using Google Chrome as your browser. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then choose Settings. On your profile settings page, scroll down to the API section, and then click on Generate API Key. So here is the API key that was generated. Click on this button to copy the API key. Next, let's head over to my Artistly account. Click on your profile name in the top right corner, and then choose Profile. On this page, scroll down to the API information section, and in the CloneVoice app section, enter the CloneVoice API key into this box, and then click on Save CloneVoice API Key. Once you do so, you'll be able to access your voices from the CloneVoice AI account. Now that we have set up the API keys, let me show you step number 2 on how to import your voices from CloneVoice AI to Artistly. So I'm in my CloneVoice account. I'll click on this button in the top right corner, and then choose My Voices. On this page, you'll see several filters here. I'll click on Clone Voices, which will show me all of my clone voices that I created. You need to click this Export Voices button, and then you will see these check boxes. I'll check this one, but you can check all the ones that you want to export. And then I'll click on Export Selected. Then click Yes, Proceed, and you'll get a confirmation. Similarly, under Design Voices, you'll see all of the voices that you have generated with prompts. I don't have any right now, so it shows no voices found. And if I click on Public Library, you'll see all of the voices that I copied from the public library. So I'll click on Export Voices, and then I'll go ahead and select all of the voices that I want to export to Artistly, like so. Finally, click on Export Selected, and then Yes, Proceed, and then I'll get a confirmation message. Now, if I click on Export Voices, you'll see all of these voices that were exported. So now let's head back to Artistly. I'll go to Create Design, and then click on Fast AI Image Designer. I'll then go to My Flipbooks, and then click on Create New. Next, I'll click on Create Flipbook. I'll select my storybook images. Let me scroll down, and then I'll click Create Flipbook. You'll then see this pop up. So now if you were to click Select Voice, you'll see these filters here. If I click on Cloned, you'll see the one that I just imported. And if I click on Public Library, you'll see the 4 that I imported. Let me close this dialog box and then go back to the Flipbook section so that I can show you another feature of this new API integration. As you can see, there is a new option to convert your storybooks to an MP4 video that you can then upload to your YouTube channel or anywhere else that you want to. Also, if I go to the AI Design Agent section, you'll see this new nursery rhymes option, and I'll be creating a separate tutorial to show you how this works. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.